Dear students, in the last class we have studied surface area and volume of a cuboid and cube. So today we are going to study surface area and volume of a cylinder.
You must have come across many solids like tin cans, water pipes, beakers in the laboratory, powder box, which are right circular cylinders. Here you would wonder what is a right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder is a solid generated by the revolution of a rectangle about one of its side which remains fixed, and the ends or bases of a right circular cylinder are congruent circles. Well, to find the total surface area of a cylinder, we must calculate the area of the two bases and the rectangle. The area of one circle is pi r square. So, for two circles, you get 2 pi r square. Let us take a closer look at our rectangle. As this rectangle is being folded, this side becomes the perimeter of the resulting circles. Thus, the folded side of the rectangle must be equal to 2 into pi into r, which is the circumference of the circle. To get the area of the rectangle, multiply h by 2 into pi into r, and that is equal to 2 into pi into r into h. Therefore, the total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 into pi into r square plus 2 into pi into r into h. Let us find the surface area of this cylinder. It is given that this cylinder has radius equal to 7 centimeters and height equal to 12 centimeters. Do you remember the formula for calculating the total surface area of a cylinder? Yes, it is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now substitute the values in this formula. So, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 12. This gives surface area of this cylinder, which is equal to 836 centimeters square. Now students, we will calculate the volume of this cylinder, which is very easy to calculate. This cylinder has radius r and height h. Well, for calculating volume, we will multiply area of a base with the height. So, volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Well, let us try an example. We have a closed right circular cylinder of radius 7 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Let us find its volume. We know the formula for volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now we need to substitute the values here. So, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 10. This gives 1540 cubic centimeters. Therefore, volume of this cylinder is 1540 cubic centimeters.
So students, I hope you all have understood the formula of the surface area and volume of a cylinder. So formula: curved lateral surface area of a right circular cylinder equals to 2 pi rh. Total surface area of a closed cylinder equals to 2 pi r in the bracket h plus r. Volume of a right circular cylinder equals to pi r square h. So based on this formula, we are going to solve few sums. Solve the following. A cylindrical oil tank has diameter 7 meter and height 9 meter. If the inner side of the tank has to be painted all over, what will it cost at rupees 35 per square meter? So diameter D equals to 7 meter Height h equals to 9 meter. Radius r equals to d upon 2, that is 7 upon 2 meter. Total surface area of the tank equals to 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. So 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 7 upon 2 in the bracket 7 upon 2 plus 9. So 22 in the bracket 3.5 plus 9 equals to 22 into 12.5 meters square. Cost of painting, that is 22 into 12.5 meters square, equals to 35 into 22 into 22 12.5 meters square. So cost of painting, when we multiply, we get rupees 9625. A pillar in the shape of cylinder has radius 21 centimeter and height 3 meter. Find the curved surface area and the volume of the pillar. So curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar equals to 2 pi rh. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7, r is 21 and h is 3. So 2 into 22 into 3 into 3, 7 ones are 7, 3 is 21. So 2 into 21 into 3 into 3, the answer comes to be 396 meters square. Volume equals to pi r square h. So pi is 22 upon 7, r is 21, so r square is 21 the whole square into h is 3. So 22 upon 7 into 21 square is 441 into 3. So 7 ones are 7, 63 is 441. So 22 into 63 into 3. So volume equals to 4158 meters square. So students, I hope you all have understood the word problems based on surface area and volume of a cylinder. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.